Good morning, students. In previous session we have discussed about and we have seen some practical view of MS Excel sheet or worksheet. Now first our selecting cells. Selecting cell. Now in worksheet you have seen the worksheet is based on columns and rows. So with row and column we have one cell. So if our cursor is in this cell, this is called the active cell. So you can select as so many rows or columns. Just click on that and drop the mouse with. Now this is our worksheet. If you want to select this part, then just click on the mouse, hold it and just pressing you can select this cell or this area. Now next is our changing or deleting text in the cell. If you are double clicking on that, then your cursor will arise and you can change or edit or enter some details here. You have seen in last session. Then we have using spell check in the worksheet. So select the range where you want to use the spell check, or you can use all your worksheet with Ctrl+A. You have to press Ctrl+A, then you will be able to select all your worksheet. Then with review tab, your third step, clicking on spelling, then one dialog box will appear where you have to enter your spelling whatever you want to search. Then in that case, all where there that spelling, or if you have write table. Now in that worksheet, how many times the table is written, that will appear in your search results. And if you want to change something, then you can find and replace also, then ignore once. If you have highlighted some place or it appears to be in another place, then you can ignore all. So you can replace or you can ignore all that table. Add to dictionary. So if you want to use regular in that way, so you can also add in your dictionary. As in MS Office or in MS Word, MS Excel also, dictionary is already available. If you select on dictionary, that will automatically search your word and check your spell. Change. If you have write some incorrect word in that, maybe you have written some marks spelling, that you have written MAKS. Now R will be missing, so you can change also. Okay, change all in all the place you have written marks, so you can also change. Autocorrect. In dictionary, when you are using that word will be autocorrect, or if you click on autocorrect, then your words will be automatically corrected. Now inserting rows and columns. You have seen one ribbon here, that is insert. Now clicking on insert, you can insert rows, columns, or you can also insert tables in that. So if you want to insert row or column, then one dialog box will appear in where you want to insert that row, in above or in. If your cursor is here, then it will ask row above or row below, column this side or left or right. And if you are selecting that, your row will be inserted. Now if you want to insert a cell, that also you can just select. Now inserting cell. So you can insert cell anywhere in that spreadsheet or worksheet. only you have to go into insert that cell above, below or at that place where you want to insert that cell. Now click on home tab, then insert button in the cell group or click insert cell in the drop down list. So if you want to insert only 1 or 2 or how many cells you want to insert, you can insert from there. Now our next is deleting cells. Now you can select your cells. Your cursor will be here, then you can just click on mouse and just hold on, and you can select as how many rows or columns or cells you want to delete. Then the selection will be there. So if you want to click on that, your option will appear that you want to delete. So click on delete. Now use autofill. So if you have one data here 111. Now if you want to write your data in that column also, then you can just select these columns and you can press autofill. So these columns will autofill automatically. Creating number series, so that also you can write number series or you can autofill. Like here will appear 112, 113, like this series will appear. Now if you have any doubt in this, we will discuss. You can ask to me or you can see my last session video